Let's build a drive-through voice AI ordering system in Python using vision agents and Gemini Live speech-to-speech. We will build an intelligent system that integrates voice and vision AI to enhance the ordering of food and drink in restaurants using Gemini and its audio generation models. Let's take a look at what you will build. Can you give me Bacon King?
Would you like a Bacon King meal or just the burger?
I want a meal.
What size would you like that meal in? Small, medium, or large?
Can you give me medium?
And would you like a drink with that?
Just coffee.
What size coffee would you like? Medium or large?
Large size.
You have ordered a medium Bacon King meal with a large coffee. Is that correct? The
Yeah.
total comes to €18.70.
All right. Can you place the order?
Yes, your order with number 15 has been placed. Please go forward to the window. Thank
All right.
you and have a nice day.
Thank you. So let's look at how the whole system works. The intelligent drive-through solution is an ordering system that combines interactive voice and vision capabilities, natural turn-taking, and noise handling to provide a human-like ordering experience. It processes voice ordering input and output through the Gemini Live API, and it is built with vision agents to deliver low-latency speech communication experience. When a user wants to order a drink or food, the voice UI in a speaker post collects the order information from the user and sends the information to a Gemini native audio model for processing. The system then performs function calling and searches through the restaurant menu to confirm the user's order availability. It then engages in 10 by 10 and natural-like conversations to complete the order. The Gemini Live Speech-to-Speech API integrates with vision agents as a Python plugin. It establishes a real-time Gemini Live session with a stream video call, allowing your assistant to speak and listen simultaneously. To create a demo in this tutorial, you should ensure you have Python 3.10 or a later version installed on your machine to simplify and bundle your Python project and its virtual environment properly. I recommend using UV to initialize your project. So running the demo in this tutorial requires you to have API credentials from Google and Stream. You can get a Stream API key from getstream.io. If you log into your Google AI Studio account, you can generate an API key for Gemini. Let's go through step by step to create the AI ordering automation system in Python for drive-through restaurants. I will jump to my favorite editor and create a new Python project using UV. You can use any code editor you prefer. My Cursor project has only an empty directory, so I'll bring the terminal and initialize a new Python project using this command uv init drive-through agent. Press the return key to generate a new Python project. I'll then cd into the directory. Inside the drive-through agent directory, I will add this command to create and activate a new virtual environment. Next, I will install Vision Agents and all the required plugins for this project. We have GetStream to provide low latency audio and video transport, and Gemini to get access to the audio generation models from the Live API. So I'll press the return key to install them all. You have noticed over here, we have Vision Agents version 0.2.5. That is the current version of Vision Agents. Next, I'll create a new file to store my API keys. So I'm going to open the .m file and add the following API keys: stream API key and secret. Then we set this base URL so that when we run the Python script, it will launch stream video. The last API credential is for Google, so you can generate a new Gemini API key in Google AI Studio. So I'll go ahead and replace all the dots with my actual API credentials. Next, we will configure the agent in main.py, so I'll remove everything here and add the following imports. So here we add the necessary imports for Vision Agents, the Gemini model, and login configuration to receive log messages for debugging the voice AI assistant. The next thing to do is to create a new agent using the Vision Agents agent class. Over here, we define a main async function, and inside that, we use the agent class of Vision Agents to create a new agent by specifying all the following parameters. The agent class in Vision Agents accepts a couple of parameters. For example, we have the edge transport, instructions, and optional processes. The edge transport helps to establish a low latency audio and video connection with the voice agent. Next, we add the instructions parameter to guide the responses generated by the voice agent. Over here, we read from this Markdown file. We haven't created this yet, so I'll copy the name and add a new file here. Inside the Markdown file, I will paste this content to guide the output of the voice agent. So over here, we specify a few things like getting order details, turn taken, and also the menu that are available, and how the agent should behave towards customers. Next, we define the LLM we want to use. Over here, we are using the Gemini Live API, so we specify that as real-time and add the specific model we want to use. This is one of the updated audio generation models from the Gemini Live API in December 2025. In the Vision Agents SDK, if you don't specify the model parameter, we still have Gemini 2.5 Flash Native Audio Preview 12 December 2025 as the default model. When using Gemini Live Speech-to-Speech, you can also add an optional config parameter to specify the language you want to use, as well as the voice you want to use for the model. After creating the voice agent, we need a UI to interact with it in real time. So to have a live conversation with the voice agent, we create a new video call using Stream Video and also join the call and finally launch it. So that is everything we need to do to build the Drive-Thru AI ordering system in Python using Vision Agents and Gemini Live Speech-to-Speech. We add all the necessary imports and create a new AI agent. We give the agent detailed instructions and also specify Gemini Live Speech-to-Speech as the LLM. We customize the implementation with a specific model and also add an optional config to specify a language and the voice we want to use. Then we create a stream video call and also join it. When we now run the Python script, you should be able to interact with the Drive-Thru voice agent in real time.
Hello, what can I make for you today?
Can you give me Bacon King?
What size would you like the Bacon King to be? Small, medium, or large?
I want medium.
Would you like to add a drink to your Bacon King meal?
Just coffee.
What size coffee would you like? Medium or large?
Large coffee.
Does that complete your order?
Yes, that is everything.
You have ordered a medium Bacon King meal with a large coffee. The total price is €17.70. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Your order with number 1 has been placed. Please go forward to the window. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. As you saw in the agent configuration code, when working with the Gemini Live API, you can specify a voice and set its name within a speech config object as part of the agent session configuration in Vision Agents. The API also supports several native audio capabilities, such as thinking budget. This feature can be disabled by setting the thinking budget parameter to 0. Another audio generation capability is affective audio. That is the ability of Gemini audio model to adapt its response style to the user's voice input, expression, and tone. There is also proactive audio, the ability of Gemini to give no response or ignore the user's input if the content is not relevant. When you follow all the instructions in this tutorial and run the demo, you may encounter some errors. Here are some common issues you may encounter along with their solutions. Once you run the demo, you may get hallucinated responses. In this case, you should equip the agent with detailed and concise instructions to guide its output to achieve accurate results. If you get no response from the model, you should ensure the Google API key is set correctly. Also, if there is no audio playback, you should verify that you have published the output track to the call, and also the call is subscribed to the agent's audio. Lastly, if you get issues with sample rate, that could be fixed by configuring the send audio PCM parameter to normalize the input frames. So the voice AI ordering system we built in this tutorial also supports other providers you prefer. For example, instead of using the Gemini Live API, you can use the OpenAI Real-Time API or use a model like Amazon Nova Sonic for real-time speech-to-speech. The Vision Agents repo has advanced examples and use cases for your inspiration. You can read the docs to learn more about the various concepts in Vision Agents and also join the Discord community to contribute to the open source video AI framework.